Micro racing. Micro
Do
racing.
you know what? They used to be a thing, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was mega.
It's a shame that it stuck around for a bit when we weren't really doing a lot of RC, and then it kind of went and we missed it.
Yep. I actually bought one just as it died.
You did, I remember.
I did.
That.
I've got. I want to say it's a 1/14 scale buggy. It's the Charisma I got.
Okay.
And I bought it and I never raced it.
Never raced it.
Never ever raced it.
But you've got a toy, ain't you?
I have.
Get your toy out.
This one over
Yeah,
here.
what's that then?
Now, we have got here another one.
Another one.
And do you know what? There's a race meet coming up where you can run micro. So if any of you guys have got a micro, come racing.
Come racing.
It's in. It's about 6 weeks' time.
Yeah.
There is going to be a race meet, and you get to run your micro. So if you've got one of these lying around and you wish, oh, I just need to get it out and have a play, now's the opportunity. Now this one here is the LC Racing, ready to run.
Yeah, I've heard very, very good things about LC racing. We say that about a lot of things that we sort of put on the channel, but I really have. When you got given that, I had a little peruse online. Couldn't find anything negative about them. It's not I wouldn't say entry level. It's probably a decent, cheap form of racing. I wouldn't say budget, but I think it's one up from budget.
Yeah, it's like affordable. It's not a pro spec car.
No.
It's not a budget car. It is a ready to run, sort of ready to race almost buggy. But I want to get inside this actually. I need to peel off the seal.
Can I just tell you something, though?
Go on then.
Because you got one of them. I got given type 2. Shall I show you?
Go on then.
All right. I got given one of these. Now it's a bigger box, but it is a micro. But it's slightly different to your one.
Well, mine is a smaller box, but mine's ready to run. It comes with. Shall I tell you what it comes with?
Yeah, go on.
Comes with a plastic bag. It's a really nice. Feel that. It's a nice little plastic bag.
Nice,
that
man.
comes with a manual. With
Yeah.
pages and everything. Comes with another little manual there.
Okay, that's good. Shows you about all the cars in there.
But wait until you see this. This is.
That's a smart little thing, isn't it?
That is amazing. So we have got pre-painted shell. These tyres, they're almost like the cut stackers we use, aren't they?
Looks like it's already designed for indoor
racing. We've got oil-filled shocks, adjustable turnbuckles there for your toe in, toe out, your camber as well.
So what's it called, that one?
So this one is called the BHC1. Doesn't really roll off the tongue, that
It does
does it?
annoy me a bit when companies do that, but okay, whatever. At the end of the day, it's a nice looking buggy. It's ready to run.
And if we
It's
open
brushed.
it up,
You get the lipo with it.
Comes with a lipo, brushed motor. It's got an ESC receiver combo. Dean's connectors. Do you know what? That's a nice little bit. It's an alley chassis. That is a quality little car. I think if I was to race this seriously, I'd be tempted to upgrade it to brushless. But it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. Because if I open this up,
Yeah.
we have also got in here the spoiler. We've got a charger. And we have also got radio gear. Now these radios we have used before, and we've got them on a few of our cars. Very simple. You have got your trim and dual rates as well. What I like about these ones is they unclip.
Yeah.
Fit them in your pockets.
And
The
they're quite
batteries go in there.
comfortable, aren't they, to use those?
And
yeah.
that goes on there. Very simple, but you know what? What a great car to get you into racing. If you've got a few people with these, there's a race class in that, isn't there?
Oh,
That is
no,
a
definitely. Maybe we could reignite the love of the micro.
very
right.
affordable class.
So that's the BHC one from LC Racing. This one here is the EMB one.
So what size is that then? Because it's a massive box.
1/14 scale, same as that.
So that's the same size as this.
Yeah, they just-
You must get more than me then, because I got everything I need.
It's funny you should say that. You don't actually. That's a lovely looking car. It really is nice. It's got. Has yours got plastic shocks on it?
No, these are alley shocks.
Right, so these are alley shocks. They feel really very nice. The tyres are super sticky as well, but it is brushless, and it comes with a brushless motor and ESC. Again, alley chassis. Looks pretty much bomb-proof, bulletproof, everything else proof. Servo as well, just got as your radio gear and LiPo, and away you go. So I will be racing this one at the event, which is on the 10th of February, right?
It is indeed 10th of February. Details will be going in the description down below. Now, the big difference between this one and that one, there's a few, isn't there? They both come with pre-painted shells. They both come with motor, ESC, and servos. This one though comes with the radio gear, but this one here, 2-wheel drive.
Good point. What? I didn't even mention that. That is 2-wheel drive. This is 4-wheel drive, and it's shaft driven. This one. Never really had much of a problem with shaft driven cars in the past. The Vantage was shaft driven, and it was and it held up to that race meeting we did, or a few race meetings we've done with that. But I'm thoroughly looking forward to racing this because I've never raced a micro car.
No. Well,
so there you go.
You say we never raced micro. Micro here is considered as 1/14th. I think these would be similar to the Losi. I think they were marketed as 1/16th. But if you put them next to these, they would be a very similar size. So if any of you guys out there have got one of those, there's also Team Associated do a buggy, same sort of scale. If you've got one of those, bring it along and come racing, because it will be a great event. If we could fill the track with these, the track's going to be massive.
Yeah.
It's going to be a fun event.
It's billed as a fun event, and it's not. This is not the only class. I mean, we'll just briefly put out. This is the first video about the event. I mean, we're showcasing these cars tonight, really. But look, the 10th of February, it's going to be run through DMS Racing, which is in Watford, in Hertfordshire, in the United Kingdom.
Your old manor, isn't it, boss? Your old manor.
Where I grew up round there.
It is indeed.
All of my ex-girlfriends are from around there.
Really?
I had a fair few back in the day. You know, good-looking chap like me. I once had 2 girlfriends at the same time.
Did you?
Yeah. But I shouldn't really mention this.
That's another time, that is. It's another video, that is.
Yeah, it is another video.
Yeah. That should go on the old members only section, that one. Anyway, what we're going to go back to is these cars. And do you know what?
What?
They're not that much smaller than the old FTX Comets that we used to run over at Sunderland Models, aren't they?
What about... We can open it up to the FTX Comet, couldn't we, Crew?
I reckon so.
Because this is a fun event. This is on a big track.
So, bigger track. I think because it is open to newbies coming in, they might even go old school with the timing and try and punch people's names.
I think that'd be a bit
have
of a
to worry about a transponder so much. So it just makes it a little bit more affordable. But it'll be great to just have some full heats of these things, because if you run slightly smaller cars on a track designed for slightly bigger cars, it's just fun.
Yeah,
they look really cool going around, don't they?
They certainly do. So,
do you want to swap?
I kind of don't. I kind of like this car. Look at it.
It does look very nice.
It does look cool, doesn't it? Yeah. And I've heard these are pretty quick as well. So, but there you go, LC Racing. So from the first look, they look pretty good. All the information I've looked up on them is all good. You can get parts in the UK very easily. What's there not to like? Don't know. Put it in the comments.
I like it a lot. I think as well, running just with the stock tyres.
Absolutely. Yeah, I don't want to spend any money on this.
Well, you're going to have to get a receiver in there, aren't you?
Well, I've got all that.
I've probably got a brushless setup that'll fit in this.
I think you'll be surprised how quick that'll be.
You reckon? Well, we shall see. We need to test it before the event, don't we? So
right, let's do a little...
Let's get over to DMS and take it out for a little spin. The event is going to be sponsored by LC Racing.
Yeah.
And Orca. Apparently, there's about £2,000 worth of prizes.
£2,000 worth of prizes
available. There's going to be raffles and all sorts going.
Now
on.
it's going to
be a fun event.
I'm thinking spaces are going to fill up quick because I think there's only about spaces for 50, maybe 60 people. So you have a high chance of winning some seriously cool stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Well, anyway, that's food for thought. So get your diaries out. 10th of February. If you've got a micro, maybe it's your chance to dust it off, get it back on the track, and come racing with us. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, please. Subscribe to the channel. It helps us stay afloat. We're not millionaires. We've got a full-time job. We have to do this.
This is a hobby.
We get told every time I come to see you, I get told off. Where are you going? Says the wife. Where are you going? You going to see Carl again?
I got told off setting the studio up tonight as well.
It's getting tough. Doing me head in.
She wants to kick us out.
I know, but this. You see, the only way we can stay afloat is by you subscribing. If you don't subscribe, we might have to give all this up, give all the cars away. And then what are we going to do? Take up darts or something?
I'd beat you at darts.
You've got the right belly for it. You've got the right physique for that.
Got the physique for it. But then if we took up athletics and did sprinting, I'd beat you at that as well.
Yeah, I don't know if you would anymore, actually.
I reckon I still would.
Yeah, you probably would.
I reckon I still would. Because I'm a very fast fat man.